So, we've made it to South Australia. We've come to Heads Cliff Lookout. We went down by the river. Beautiful, beautiful spot. Lots of terrible corrugations coming in. We'll show you some footage of that. We had a couple of accidents in the van. One of our sauce bottle lids had popped out in the fridge, and so that leaked, which was easy enough to clean up, and the top of our freezer, the whole front of it had come off. So we've contacted Dometic and we're going to get a couple of extra parts for that. But take a look at this. It's about 10 to 8 in the morning. She's a bit chilly, which is why we're all rugged up. We're the only van from what we can see, and there's just a couple of people who park up overnight and do some fishing. We've not completely set up because we potentially will move spots, but it was late-ish when we got in. What do you think, Rowan? What are you eating? You got some sticks. Huh? Your favourite meal? Yummo. Hey? You've already had brekkie? He's on the move now. Ansha, are you crawling? Yes, and he yells at us. So, that's it. How good is this? Top notch. Well, here we are, South Australia. We just came into town to get some groceries and came back to notice the car has a flat. Another flat tyre. I did see a huge bolt in there earlier, and so we've brought it to Tyre Power to get it fixed. So we're going to go for a walk in the meantime while they repair our tyre. This boy's just had a snack. Hiya, Ro. You gonna come for a walk? Yes, let's go, boy. So we arrived back at camp after getting our tyre fixed from the boys at Tyre Power. They also did a full balance on all the wheels for us, so fixed all our vibration issues that we were having at higher speeds. So cheers to those boys. Tyre Power Renmark, can recommend. We had a bit of a walk around town while they were fixing the tyre. We had breakfast at the local cafe there. That was quite good, hey?
Yeah, it's good, yeah.
Cheap, tasty meal, really, all in all. Rob had already eaten before we had left, so he didn't actually get any. And then I think we're going to throw a rod in the water. What do you think?
Yeah, well, I think we'll try and catch a fish, see what happens.
Alright, let's see.
Well, I've caught something. That's not really what I was aiming for. I have no idea what to do with it now. She's eating the worm.
We're meant to be fishing, babe. We're at the Murray.
Well, Murray Cod's not meant to look like this, but maybe it is. Fuck, it's all got a good wet.
You gonna be able to get your hook out?
I don't know. Time to work it out.
Maybe you need a knife and open it.
It looks huge, yeah.
Mm. Alright, leaving Headings Cliff Camp.
Yep.
Was it good?
It's an awesome spot. Rough way in, but I'm going to show you some footage of the rough way out, hopefully, so we'll see how it goes.
Let's see if we can get up the incline.
Yeah, without breaking everything in the van.
Yeah. Second time lucky. Let's go. Well, we got some good drone footage, I think. And Nick's taken out half a bush. Yeah. So best to pull all that off. Otherwise, the rest of the van has come out in pretty good shape. I've already had a sneak peek, but we haven't lost anything. Everything's where it's meant to be. And that's our temporary fix for the fridge. We've ordered parts. As you can see, she's got a bit of damage on the clip here. And the clip here busted. But that's alright. Headings Cliff Camp, not too bad of a spot, and there's a big old dumpster that you can use up the top, so that's good. Just dumped our rubbish after we got up here. Nick's airing up. We only let the tyres down on the car. The van, we're just going to risk it for the biscuit, but she's paid off. Here he is. He's got the air compressor out, it's very, very loud. How's it getting on? What'd you go down to in the end?
Probably 16.
16? What was the back on?
Usually nothing.
Holy. Oh well. It worked. There's no damage. This is coming from the road into the campsite. You got amenities block, which is all allocated per family. Then you come around through the car park. Then being a scout camp, they've got their own bunkers, canoe and boat hire. Left is the Warden's house. Following it all around.
Good morning, everybody. We arrived yesterday at Renmark Scout Camp. This was a bit of a last minute decision because we went to town before here and it had no good camp spots basically, but I think we lucked out because this place is beautiful. They've got a flying fox in their own billabong, they've got a water slide into the Murray itself, and it is perfect. We've got a nice grassy site, we've got power hookup available if we wanted it. It's $16 for power hookup, $7 per person per site, and yeah, we're extremely happy. We've got a couple of hot days ahead of us, so I think we're going to stay here for a couple more days just to keep cool and relax, and we're thinking about travelling to the coast maybe Wednesday, Thursday hopefully, depending on what we feel like. We're pretty happy here, to be honest. We're going to go for a swim today. We're expecting 35 degrees or something like that. So me and Rowan might go for a swim later on. It's only about 7 AM in the morning right now, so pretty quiet. I'm waiting for the temperature to warm up. But yeah, feeling quite blessed. Alright guys, I'll just show you the water slide. It's closed off at the moment for the morning. I'm assuming the caretaker opens up in there. Whatever time he opens up, 8 o'clock or something like that. But yeah, glad to get back in. So this is their own private billabong with a flying fox. A bit dirty the water at the moment, but so is the Murray, so you're not going to complain. So that's the toilet blocks and everything like that. At the moment, they give you individual toilet blocks to yourself. Our campsite's up there, if you can see it on the camera or not. But yeah, this place is perfect. Alright, place has got a kids' playground as well, as you can see. It'll keep them happy. You're not old enough yet, mate. Sorry. You're not old enough. And just up the hill, this is where we're camped. It's beautiful and grassy. Yep, getting enough shade, getting enough solar when we need it. No complaints.
So we've come down for a swim. The boys are heading in. Have a look. Go row! Good job, Bubby. It's a bit chilly apparently. It's just getting used to the water. Dad hasn't even gotten in yet.
It's a little bit chilly.
It's chilly, but it looks beautiful. How hot was it meant to be today, Nick?
35.
35 degrees.
35 or 36 or something like that.
We're just down beside the slide, which is occupied at the minute, but we will be using it. The water slide's open. So, what do you think, Nicholas? Are you going to go in?
I reckon. We'll give it a go.
You're going to take Ro with you?
Yep. He's going to be my little saviour.
Let's see how deep it is first, eh?
Yeah, I reckon.
How much fun. Nice in the river.
Beautiful.
I'm slowly making my way in, yet to be just above thigh. But Robo's enjoying it.
He's shivering. Come on.
Kick, kick, kick.
Warm yourself up. Kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick.
Oh, I'm gonna fall. I'm okay. That could be disastrous. Oh dear.
Yeah, I've got you. I've got you.
Mwah. You're a good boy. So hi.
Just living.
Oh, this is beautiful. This is the life, hey, Ro. Hey, this is the life. Say hi, your daddy.
Hi, Baba. Are you going to record? Alright. Rowan's live on cam right now. He's got control.
He's gonna drop it.
He's going to drop it, yeah. But yeah, you can't get much better spots than this. A bit where I can touch it. But yeah.
Wow, Ro!
I slid past it.
Slide! Wowee!
Was that fun? Again? No. Was that fun, Roro? Oh, you're shaking. Come here. Come here. You're alright, mate. You be brave.
Did you have a good swim, Ro? Did you have a good swim? Yes. We're heading back. What do you do, Dad?
Yeah.
Good swim?
Beautiful. Roro was a bit chilly though.
A little bit of a trek back. That was actually quite good. The current was a bit. What do you reckon? Bloody took me a bit to get up to the slide to catch Rowan at the end. But that cooled me down. Doesn't feel like 35 now. This is the peak of the heat today. We've waited in aircon until now. Perks of staying where we're staying, hey? What a good spot. Cheap, plenty of activities. Groundskeeper's nice. Top notch. Dad's on the buggy, pushing the boy.
Mm-hmm. Lucky.
Obviously our van, or maybe not because of the sun glare, but our van's just through the part of the Billabong. Full of kangaroos generally this time of night. Nick saw a few when he headed up to the shops yesterday. heaps of birds and wildlife. Wild sheep. I nearly hit one. Part of the lagoon. It's quite lovely actually. Small little walk up. I'm catching up. So, camp spot. We plugged into 240. At what time do we plug in? 2 o'clock. Been running the aircon. And this is what we've got. Oh, we've got a little nudie bum. We'll censor that. Otherwise, we used reusable and row. They've worked out quite good, hey?
Yeah, it's a little bit more work, but maybe probably just as much work to get rid of rubbish all the time, so might as well just wash them.
We're just working out how to save water when we've got them though, hey?
Yeah.
That's our biggest
We've tried
dilemma.
a few different ways, we've not found the perfect way yet. But
We're making do for the time being, hey? Little stinker. Yes. And Rose got his first Christmas tree. Wowee, she's beauty.
got the lights up tonight.
Yeah, we've got our lights. His IKEA high chair. Bucket boy has a bucket. This is outside living. What do you think, Ro? Are you going to go down for a play while we cook dinner?
Yeah.
You're not too keen. He's just woken up from a nap too, hey?
Yeah.
He's a bit mellow.
Yeah, you probably had a shock to the system, go for a swim after a good nap. But
That was a big nap. How long was that? Hour and a half? That's too long for you. Nick did not believe me. The bloody wild sheep up here. There he goes.
My best friend didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. Singing along to nothing matters, stray around like night.
So Murray Bridge Train Memorial alongside the Murray River. Beautiful day. What do you think? Bit warm? Dad and Ro up in the train. Hi Dad. Hi Ro. Hi Ro. You monkey. Who's that? Hiya! Boo!
Things turn around, didn't ever think they could. I'm done with the bad, I need a little bit of good. Settle in the world, like everything.
So, we just finished our overnight in Coonalippen. We stayed behind a pub, free camping, and all they ask is that you buy a meal. Well, we ended up having a couple of drinks there as well. It was a Tuesday night, and being off season at the moment in South Australia, they just do a couple of meals on a Monday, Tuesday, and then a full menu Wednesday through to Sunday when they have a bit more traffic coming through. But as he said, things are starting to, become a bit more busy because the borders are reopening. So they actually had quite a few travellers and locals stop through last night to have a drink and stayed behind the pub last night. So there was a couple of camper vans, and we were the only caravan back here. But we really can't complain. It was really good. It's part of the silo trail, so Nick's got some good footage that he put up from the drone of the silo art that's just up around the corner. We just hitched up, and so we're just going to decide where our next stop is.
Yep.
So we're just going to have a look on Wikicamps, I think.
Yep.
Yeah, and find out where we're going to stop for the next couple of days or overnight. We haven't really decided.
No idea. We know we're going to the coast, that's really it.
We're heading to the beach. It's meant to be hot tomorrow, so we definitely want to swim.
Yeah, 37, so yeah, want to be near water.
Absolutely. So, let's tune in.
Look out for our next video, guys. We're going to be heading towards the Coorong, South Australia.